Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's class, and we're going to be doing UFLI lesson 91, day 1, where we are doing the long U sound. Actually, in this case, it's going to be ooh for the most part. So let's take a look at our schedule. First thing we're going to look at is our phonemic awareness. So let's get started. So when I give you the blend, you take the blend and put it together. So if I go ooh, you go ooh, new. Good. Oot. Oot, suit, ooh, ooh, through. That was a little bit hard to hear, but I was going, that's TH. Good. Okay, last one. Oot, good. Now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to segment. So I will give you the word like do, and you'll say do. Ooh. Cool. Blue. Ooh. Crew. Bruise. Ooh. Oh, there was the one at the end too. All right, now we're gonna move into our visual drill. So this is where you see the grapheme, the picture, and then you tell me what it says. So what does this say? Ooh or ooh. Ooh or you or ooh or ooh. E, very good. I, the other one does say I too. O, 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 E, 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 A, or, R. Y, I or E, good. J. G or J. Okay, good. Moving into our auditory drill. So this is where I'll give you the sound and then you write them down, okay? So first one I'm going to give you is what says oh. What could say oh? Okay, so I see O-E like a toe. I see O-O. I see, actually, O-O doesn't say O. O-A says O, like boat. O-O says like ooh or ugh. Okay, so how about, oh yeah, I see O-W also. And then there's O by itself. Cool. All right, moving on. What can say E? That's actually what we're doing our spelling test on this week, so it's good practice. E, what can say E? I see someone writing E by themselves. Then I see EE, then the other one, EA, which isn't a lot of homophones. They both like T and T. What about, I see people who wrote EY, like at the end of monk, E. And then also, Y by itself can say E, like baby. Good. All right, last one. What can say, ugh? Ugh. There's two of them. What can say, ugh? O says ugh, like in book. And then you can say ugh, like put. Awesome. Moving on. We're going to go to our blending drill. So I'm going to put my blending board. And now we can get started. So the first word we're going to do is, what is this? Good. And how about wood? And then, oops. Hood and no, hid, short I. They didn't put the E at the end. They're trying to trick you. Okay, hid, and then what about this? Hill, and then pill, and then all right, what about this? Put. All right, now this one's gonna be really tricky, so pay attention. Cute. This makes the long U sound, or poo. No, that's a pute. I'm saying pute because it's kind of like the word mute. Yeah. It's got like a U going on there. Okay, what about this? Muse. What about? Oh wait, oops. Go back. Muse and then mule and then mile and then while and then wine, and then sign, which is not normally how we spell it. You can, but this is not the regular sign. What about this? Scythe. That's kind of weird. It's a nonsense word. How about this, though? Sir, and then swerve. Okay, cool. Now we're going to move on to our last section where we're talking about our new concept. So let's talk about it. New concept is we're talking about the long U spelling pattern. So we know that ooh can be like spoon, ooh. We've learned that in the previous lesson, so if you haven't looked, go check that out. Let's look at the next one. EW can say ooh like in chew, like you chew your food. Let's look at the next one. Look at that, chew, I can tell you, I told you already. All right, so EW at the end of a word. You won't really find it in the middle of a word. So let's look at the words like flew and grew. Okay, cool, moving on. UI, I already can tell. This is like in the word fruit. 2 for 2. All right, moving on. That one you're going to find mostly in the middle. I don't know that you will ever find it at the end, though, because it won't look great. So words like suit and juice also have the UI in the middle. And then moving on, I believe we have another one. UE, I'm going to guess this is like the word blue? Yes! 3 for 3, baby. Blue. Okay, moving on. This one you are going to mostly find at the end. You might find it in the middle, like fuel, I think is in the middle. But anyway, glue and Sue also has that. That's my daughter's middle name, actually. And then, so these are all the spellings of the oohs that we've talked about. U with a silent E, U by itself in open syllable, O, EW, UI, and UE. Those are like the main vowel teams for long U sounds. So let's take a look. If you want to practice spelling some of them, you can, but we are going to read. So watch me read. Blue and blueprint. Oh, look at that. Homophone. Blue and blue. Different spellings, different meanings. Cool. Everyone. New, drew, chew, cruise, fruit, juice, blue, newborn, Tuesday. Awesome. Cool. We're not going to spell any of that, so we're all done. Give yourselves a round of applause, pat on the back, kiss on your brain. We will see you next time. Bye, everyone.